Thank you for volunteering your time to help with the APHA Southern Edge RTA project. Whilst this project will focus on the collection of RTA badgers, as this is the most common way in which to find a found dead badger, if a badger is found dead elsewhere, such as on a set or property, this can and should still be submitted. But if you have any queries at all throughout the duration of the project, please don't hesitate to contact us. Only approach the carcass when you feel safe and comfortable to do so. We recommend that you don a high-vis jacket or tabard. Ensure that your hazard warning lights are put on when approaching the carcass, stopping the vehicle and when stationary throughout. And if you have one, use a warning triangle on the road at least 45 metres, that's around 147 feet, behind your vehicle on the same side of the road. But do take great care when placing and retrieving them. Stop to ensure that the animal is dead. This may be obvious, but if you're unsure, touch the back pad or rump with your foot or blunt object. There should be no response. If an animal is not dead, call the RSPCA or your local wildlife hospital, badger group or vet. Check the suitability of the carcass for postmortem. The main body should be intact, and if the skin is discoloured, this is greenish in colour, and or both skin and hair can easily be pulled away from the carcass, it should not be collected, as it is unsuitable. This assessment is critical, as only viable carcasses will be submitted for post-mortem, and you must wear the disposable gloves supplied when assessing the carcass. If the carcass is suitable, fill out the badger submission form before collecting the carcass. A tip here is that before collecting any carcasses, fill out any details that you know you can, such as the plastic cable tie number, which will be contained inside each kit, ticking a box to say whether you want to know the results and filling in the corresponding contact details below, phone and email, on all the badger submission forms that you have, and this will save some time at the point of collection. Remember, the location information is of utmost importance, and we cannot receipt carcasses in for PM that do not have this. So please familiarise yourself with how to gather the location information, which is over leaf on the badger submission form, and any issues with this, please contact us. Take out the first red heavy-duty bag from the collection kit. This must be rolled 3/4 of the way down. A tip here is to take one red bag out of each kit you have and roll these down ready for collection. This will save time at the point of collection and, more importantly, time spent at the roadside. With your disposable gloves on, place the carcass inside the first red bag. Roll the bag all of the way up, and at this point you may choose to move to a safer area. Then, grasp the bag just above the carcass and use the other hand to push the excess air out away from your face, ready to create a gooseneck. Grasp the bag just above the carcass and twist the excess bag from the bottom upwards to create a twisted end. Fold this twisted end down towards its base to make a loop just above the carcass, and then secure the twisted end loop, this is the gooseneck, with one of the two black non-numbered cable ties. Take the second red bag out of the collection kit. Still using your disposable gloves, place the first bag, this will be the one containing the carcass, into the second bag. Place the completed badger submission form into the clear bag. This was the one that was originally used to contain the kit. Place the form, along with your used disposable gloves, into the second bag. Secure the second bag with a gooseneck, just as before, and secure this with the white numbered cable tie, and remember to make a note of this number for making your claim later. Take the third red bag from the collection kit. The third bag should be handled with no gloves to minimise contamination of it. Close this bag with the gooseneck method, just as before, and secure with the second black non-numbered cable tie. Finally, label the third bag with a red exempt animal specimen sticker, and you're now ready to let us know as soon as possible so that we can arrange the courier. As soon as safe to do so, email or call us at APHA to arrange the courier. We can make Friday collections, but this may not be by courier. In all cases, but especially over weekends, keep the carcass as cool as possible. At peak RTA times during the autumn and winter months, carcasses will be suitably stored outside due to the cooler temperatures. During warmer months, if you have a suitable chiller or old fridge, that is ideal, but storage such as a north-facing, well-ventilated outbuilding or shaded area will be sufficient enough so long as the courier can collect the same or next day. We will monitor weather conditions over the course of the 12-month collection period and halt should high temperatures persist over a long period of time. Once again, thank you for your help on the Southern Edge RTA project. Please email or call the project contacts at any point should you need us. Thank you.